Hi, I'm James Orvis and I will guide you through one of the most powerful software synthesizers, Arturia Pigments. During this course you will learn every single aspect of this impressive instrument, from building sequences to mastering the effects. No section will be forgotten. There is something deeply rewarding about learning an instrument, but the technical side is only one part of the equation, which is why I'm also going to cover 5 preset building examples. This will help you improve your sound design techniques and also inspire you to create your own patches. And by the end of the course, you will become an expert on using pigments. You'll also be able to go through every module and parameter without ever being lost or confused by its function. This course will truly transform the way you use pigments, and it will also impact your music for many tracks to come.